Our latest product, the Y-Phone, is intricately engineered by integrating the best works of our hardware and software team, specifically built for students' use. It's a highly powerful processor working seamlessly with a brilliant 240 pixel display and 1 whole gigabyte of storage, all packed in a beautiful exterior.
How is it any different from the previous version?
I'm sorry, what?
What are the upgrades from the previous model?
I can't hear you.
What are the new features? Never mind.
Now I can hear you. As I was saying, with such a powerful and beautiful design, all at your fingertips, Y-Phone is our most advanced product yet. Y-Phone, because why not?
Have you ever experienced signal loss? Have you ever experienced connectivity issues? Did you ever have to roam around the earth or maybe even beyond just to get a strong enough connection for your Zoom meetings? Well, not anymore. With the new Wi-Fi booster, you'll never have to lose weight like this guy here. Introducing the new Wi-Fi booster, exclusively on Y-Phone. Look at him. He's still searching. I can gain that much weight before he finds a strong signal. Download the new Wi-Fi Booster app to get up to 300 gigabytes per second download speed.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Perpetual Motion Score TV, PMS. Today we are going to witness one of the most awaited interviews of the decade with none other than our legendary Swami Satyananda. Namaste Swami.
Jai Satyananda, cut put shut, swaha.
It's an honor for us to have you here. Can you please enlighten us about your childhood? Please do take this mic.
See, ba, my mother is water, my father is fire. That is how I was born, okay? So, see, another thing, a plus b whole square is never equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, then whenever I say the sun to set, it will set. Whenever I say the moon to rise also, it will rise, okay?
Seems very interesting. We have come to the notice that you found a cure to corona, which has been troubling lives of millions of human beings. Can you explain us how?
I have the remedy for corona, my son. Om Satyananda Hatpat Kat Swaha. This is Go Corona tablet. Take 5 times a day, okay? Yeah. Sarva Corona Maya, Yaru Padabedi Maya. What is this, pa? This light is on, offing from the time.
Enough of your bullshitting. You have been caught red-handed. This over here is not a mic. It is Y-Phone. It has a special feature called lie detector. It can get to know when people are lying. Have you ever been betrayed? Has your girlfriend or boyfriend dumped you? Before things get out of hand in your lives, please do buy this phone.
Download the Why You Lie app, our most advanced artificial intelligence app, to never feel cheated again.
Lying, why you always lying?
We have Jinping Hai Samakrakli.
你好，小平行手。
再次请sama sing hey.
स्टॉप, तुम्हारा आईडी कार्ड दिखा दो। तुम आईडी कार्ड के बिना अंदर तो नहीं जा सकते।
With the new YD card app, all your important cards are just a tap away.
Dude, when on earth will you finish class, bro? What is the time? Oh, time up. And another 5 minutes, students. Okay, concentrate here. What is the teaching? Mughal dynasty. See, Humayun's son is Akbar. His son is Jahangir. His son is Shah Jahan. His son is Aurangzeb. Understood?
Sir, ask him to kill us only, no? Half an hour ago he said 5 minutes only. I have to run and get food now.
Cheta, one paneer butter masala dosa. Adipoli.
Bro, hey, one veg biryani for me also. Bro, that video is so funny. I will watch it again. You guys also check it out once. It's funny.
Cheta, why foods dosa? Super taste.
Dude, it's so delicious. Wow.
Oh yeah? Is that so? Take that.
Bhaiya, one sandwich. Quick, sir.
A few moments later.
Oh, thank you.
What a good night's sleep.
Sir, may I come in?
Whoa, you're too early for the next class. Please be an outstanding student today. Out! Don't disturb my class.
Look at these boomers. My lunch is one tap away and it's done. Download the new Vitaries app to order your food from anywhere. Available only on the iPhone.
Yeah, dude, DC is much better than Marvel any day.
Yeah, bro. DC is better than Marvel any day. Like you can't. Your security guard. We can't go this way, huh?
Yeah, dude, you know what happened to Vivek?
What happened to Vivek?
Can't grow a beard and he got caught broke.
Vivek got caught. He can't even grow up in his face like some girl's face, bro. Now what are you gonna do? Like,
Let me use iPhone to get the best possible route in. With Y Maps, you can locate the guard in and around college. Satellites will give live and accurate position of the guards and calculate the best possible route around college.
Dheeraj, you still have the iPhone. I think you should get the new iPhone S Plus Pro Max. It has an attached trimmer and all. So like, I can just trim right here, right now, and no issues. Yeah, so easy with the new S Plus Max Pro Smart iPhone.
So there you have it, the iPhone at a price of 1 kidney and the iPhone S Plus Pro Max, which comes with an attached trimmer at a price of 1 kidney and 7 lobes of liver, all available exclusively in the general store. iPhone, because why not?